Elon Musk just announced he's building a software company called Macrohard that runs entirely on AI agents. You may have noticed the name sounds a bit similar to Microsoft, but instead of micro, it's macro, and instead of soft, it's hard. And no, this is not a Twitter joke or X joke. Do you call Twitter X? Let us know in the comments below. I want to know, does anybody call Twitter X? Anyway, this is not a joke. Elon Musk just trademarked the name Macro Hard, so it's real. The concept for the company is simple. Since software companies like Microsoft don't actually manufacture physical hardware, you can theoretically simulate the entire company with AI agents. We're talking AI writing code, AI managing projects, AI testing products, AI shipping updates, basically a virtual software company that never sleeps, never asks for raises, and never has existential crisis about JavaScript frameworks. And this isn't just PowerPoint engineering. XAI is already hiring engineers to build computer control agents that'll power both Macrohard and their upcoming Grok 5 model. In their trademark filing, it covers everything from AI text generation to video game design. Plus, they just landed a deal with the US government to provide Grok 4 for 42 cents, which is either the best bargain since free GitHub or the beginning of Skynet.
I need to know how Skynet gets built. Who's responsible?
But here's what's really happening that nobody is talking about. The entire AI industry just did a 180-degree pivot, and most people are still stuck in 2023 thinking we need to make models smarter, which is dead wrong. Most people don't realize how amazing the current reasoning models are. Models like GPT-5, Grok 4, Claude Opus 4.1, they're fundamentally different than previous AI models. They're actually better than humans at a lot of tasks, and it's going to be hard from this point to make them much better. What AI companies are doing right now is shifting from making AI models smarter to building products on top of their AI models. In other words, AI companies are no longer in the make AI smarter game. They're in the make AI productive game. And also they're focused on making AI cheaper. Current AI models are already outperforming humans on most technical benchmarks. We're talking PhD level science questions, competitive programming, advanced mathematics. Going all the way back to OpenAI's o1, it scored 83% on AIME math competitions, which puts it in the top 500 students nationally. And we've already moved 2 generations forward to GPT-5. This is the secret nobody wants to admit. The reasoning models are already better than humans at most computer-based cognitive work. They just need the right context and tools. When was the last time you solved a complex algorithm from scratch without Google, Stack Overflow, and 3 energy drinks? Never. The reason is humans aren't actually that good at reasoning in isolation. We're good at reasoning with tools and information. Well, guess what? AI models with proper context and tool access are becoming unstoppable. Research shows they're doubling in capability every 7 months when measured by the length of tasks they can complete. We're talking about AI agents that can handle week-long projects by 2027 if current trends continue. Which brings me to something that'll actually help you survive the AI apocalypse: context management. Most developers are still using AI like a fancy autocomplete. But the real power comes from giving these models the right context about your code base, your architecture, your business logic. That's why we built the free VS Code extension called Fingo Context. If you go to the extension section of your VS Code editor or your cursor editor, or whichever IDE you use, and search Fingo, Fingo, you should see the free extension Fingo Context. Fingo Context makes it easy to manage your context data that you can then add as context in an AI agent, AI chat conversation using AI agents like GitHub Copilot or Cursor Agent or Windsurf Agent. I recently made a video explaining this extension. I'll put a link to it in the description below. When you give these modern AI agents tools like Fingo Context, AI agents are getting to the point where they can accurately write 100% of your code. I know this sounds like a dystopian sci-fi, but we're literally watching software development transform in real time. Elon Musk's Macrohard isn't just a meme company. It's a preview of what's coming. Fully automated software companies powered by AI agents working 24/7. Companies are realizing they don't need to make AI models dramatically smarter. They just need to make them more productive with better tools and context. And when AI agents can handle month-long projects autonomously, the entire software industry is going to look very different. The question isn't whether AI will replace parts of software development, it's how fast you can adopt to working alongside these systems instead of competing with them. Because while everyone else is still debating if AI can code, the smart developers are already using it to 10x their productivity. If this video gave you an existential crisis about your career prospects as a developer, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to see more content like this. Let us know your thoughts about Macrohard in the comments below. Do you think it will work? Do you think we'll see a future where AI agents are running software companies? Do you think Macrohard will be able to successfully replicate Microsoft all autonomously using AI agents powered by Grok 5? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.